Hello everyone. There is a quick update on Diploma IFRS examination which was going to be held in September 2020. The Diploma IFRS examination September 2020 has been cancelled by ACCA. There are certain restrictions in about 13 to 14 locations across the world including India, and ACCA will not be able to conduct the examinations at these locations because of these restrictions, and hence it gets cancelled. However, these are the center based examinations which have been cancelled. There is a confusion which has created because of the ACCA's email which says you can still opt for the remote session examination. So what is remote session examination and what is center based examination? Center based examination is the examination where you have to go to the particular examination center and write examination on a paper and then give your paper back to the examiner and come back. Remote session examination is always a computer based examination, but it is given at your own location, either from your office or from your home or from your learning provider's environment. You need not require to go to the centers which are prescribed by ACCA in particular location, but you have to be at the location of your own choice. The only requirement is ACCA has said that there will be a minimum technical equipments and technical specification you must have so that you, while giving paper, can be monitored. Such remote session examination will not be paper based examination. You don't have to write it with the help of pen on the paper, but it will be based on a computer and it is remote. So the examiner will watch you through a webcam, so you cannot move away from your webcam, and then you will have to write the paper, and for that you must have minimum basic system requirements. Now this is a remote session examination. However, this remote session examination facility is not available for Diploma IFRS examination. It is available only for the full-fledged ACCA skill and professional levels of ACCA. Only for these examinations you can opt for the remote session examinations. Otherwise, for Diploma IFRS and other foundation level examinations of ACCA have been cancelled. Now these examinations will be held in December 2020. So a lot of questions are coming on email or on a phone call. There is an option of remote session examinations which ACCA has given. However, that option is not available for Diploma IFRS examination. You can visit ACCA's website and check the subjects which are available for remote session examination, and you will not find Diploma IFRS within that. So, question arises, what about the fees which you have deposited with ACCA through us? That amount will be credited to your account and you will be able to choose your attempt as a December attempt. So now you can shift your attempt from September to December. The instructions for the same will come soon from ACCA. So you can move your attempt from September to December for sure. Number 2, how the examination in December will be held, whether it will be center based or it will be computer based, whether it will be remote or whether it will be center based. I'm sorry, not a computer based. So one thing is for sure, that examination for December 2020 by default is going to be computer based. That has been clarified by ACCA. So Diploma IFRS examination for December 2020 will be computer based. What is computer based? As I said earlier, you don't have to write it on paper, anything. You have to go to center or remotely at your location that has not been clarified by ACCA. Whether it will be center based or remote, that has not been clarified. What is clarified, that it is definitely going to be a computer based. Either you go to a center, specific center of ACCA, or you sit at your own location and give exam. It will be computer based. It will not be a paper based examination anymore. So on a desktop, either at center or at your location, you will have an examination environment, one specific tool which will open in front of you. In one window, you will see the question. A window next to that, on the same screen, you will see the requirement with respect to that question, what you have to do, what you are expected to do with this question. Prepare balance sheet, give your view, answer to your CFO or CEO, and in the below column, on below window to that, you will be given an environment to write your answer, or to type your answer rather than write, I would say. You have to type your answer in a Word like environment or in an Excel like environment. If the question is numerical question, you can open an Excel sheet. If it's a explain or it's a descriptive question, you can open a Word like environment. Both options will be given there. You can open that and you can start typing in that environment. So the main and important reason for a failure for most of the professionals was a writing practice, because most of the professionals had lost touch of writing and they never used to complete the paper. There was no problem with conceptual clarity. However, they had no practice of writing, and now they don't have to write anything, they just have to type it. This is more aligned to the day-to-day practice which we follow in our offices, and that's a good news for all of us, that it is going to be a computer based. ACCA will soon come up with their clarification whether such computer based examination, that is CBE, will be center based or a remote session based. So we'll have to wait for their further clarifications. But for this video, two conclusions. For Diploma IFRS, September 2020 examination is cancelled and shifted to December 2020. Second, December 2020 examination is definitely going to be computer based and not paper based examination. ACCA will come up with the clarification whether such computer based examination will be at center prescribed by ACCA, or it can be given with from your respective locations. So we'll wait for this clarification, but these two things are very clear. For any further questions, you can definitely write an email at info@finproconsulting.in, or you can call on the number which is given on the ticker. Thank you so much. And in next video, I will explain a computer based examination environment with some kind of a demonstration. So keep watching this space for the further updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.